Hello friends, welcome to my Coin City YouTube channel. FTX Token. The framework. The blockchains have flooded the finance panorama, and the financial ecosystem is replete with segregated individual mini-tokens that have made the cryptocurrency ecospace quite fragmented. Hence the entire functionality of FTX Token, FTT, relies on making itself truly unique, prevailing over the agnostic crypto landscape. With a special focus on giving momentum to cryptocurrencies, FTX has emerged as a novel exchange in the cryptocurrency segment. FTX Token offers traders a unique pedestal that inspires their loyalty and offers power-packed features that are unheard of in conventional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and others. Before we start with FTX Token price prediction, let's check FTX Token overview. FTX Token. Historical data and technical analysis. FTX Token has made it a frontrunner in next-gen solutions. This avant-garde technology has become successful in breaking free from the conventional methodologies of transaction in the market. FTX Token's native currency FTT that is traded on various exchanges by millions of users worldwide is yet to position itself in the mainframe of investment-worthy currencies. The inertia that initially played for the FTX token is no more there, as the token has gained customer trust, bringing profit for investors as well as traders. Over the past few months, the price of FTX token has shown a significant price increase. During the last month, the FTX token has registered an all-time high at $63.08. However, after that, the FTX price faced a sharp plunge, and currently, it trades around $34. A frequently and keenly observed trait of FTX token price in the cryptocurrency market is that it has shown the most erratic and fluctuating behavior. Showing optimum bullish trends, it surprises with downward bear pinning down movement. As a naive entrant, this crypto asset is yet to gain traction of investors as the market shows uncertainty towards its inherent potential. FTX token price predictions. 2021 FTX token kept its momentum onward and upward. The year 2020 might have seen FTX token price hovering around the $5 mark. Later, it has boosted the market sentiment phenomenon drastically from the beginning of this year. Traders and investors have started betting on long-term for FTX token price movement, tracking it very closely, encouraging, stating that it might jump to about $60 by the end of 2021. FTX token price prediction. 2022 keeping up in tandem with the same bullish trend. There are predictions that FTX token, FTT, is poised for an upswing even in the next year, i.e. 2022, with enough volume and supply. Keeping in perspective the series of sequential peaks and troughs, the price for FTT only continues to indicate a positive trend among the receding pandemic scenario, touching the $72 mark. FTX token price prediction. 2023 even if catching up with rivals makes a path for FTX token, FTT, investments a bit difficult. It would incur a loss, but only meager, dropping to $70 on the price chart. However, this stays as a pessimistic scenario, and some experts do not expect this syndrome for investment advice. FTX token price prediction. 2024 stating that a jaw-dropping possibility does not exist and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is once again expected that FTX token, FTT, will rule the crypto chart with a performance of price pegged at $85. This is an almost equivalent growth ratio that was predicted at the end of the year 2021, which shows FTT has full potential to sustain itself in the market of digital assets. FTX token price prediction. 2025 according to our long-term predictions, 2025 might mark as the benchmark year, as FTX token price is predicted to surpass $90 by all means. With mass adoption, FTX token price is estimated to reach around $92 max by 2025 on the chart. A rise in price and demand for the cryptocurrency like never before in the crypto market, turning it a good investment.